Good morning, good people, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it is the first time you're watching. This is Clint, this is Sharp Solutions. We do carpet cleaning, repair, supply and install. So basically I wanted to make a quick little video of this one. It's a regular customer of ours. It's kind of a 2-bedroom upstairs apartment for a disabled couple, and over the years I've done numerous repairs. It is 100% wool carpet. They have got exotic cats. A couple of them are house cats, so obviously they don't go out, and when they was kittens they was house training them, so they had a few issues. We had to remove some cat urine and out of wool carpet. Guys, those of you out there that know what it's like to try and remove it from 100% wool will feel the pain. It is painstakingly slow. Some were obviously damaged as well, where the cat's claws were growing and things and they were stretching out, so we made a couple of repairs there, which I will show you further along in the video and tell you all about, done correctly, how long they last and stuff. The carpet's not in bad condition soil wise, so it is a relatively straightforward job, this one. We are, however, going in with rinse extraction because this is about 3 years since it last had it. We do go in intervals, and we will use low moisture cleaning annually, normally, until it's due a deep rinse extraction. So the truck mount will be out today. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like the videos as well, because it really does help the channel grow, and that helps me bring more kind of videos for your viewing pleasure to you. So till the next time, guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next. This is a cat urine spot that it has been there a while, to be fair, so the customer has said, but not since we last cleaned. So it is obviously under a year old because we clean for this customer annually. So I am giving a little freebie here and just putting some treatment on there, not taking too much time with UV and stuff, just literally letting it soak in, and hopefully it, you know, does the job, or it at least improves it, because sometimes it's just not possible to, you know, not charge extra for the time. And me personally, you know, it's no good working kind of an 8-hour shift and only getting paid for 4. You know, that's how it is at the end of the day. So if we're going to do advanced stain removal, then I am going to obviously charge extra for it. But because this is a regular customer, I just put a little bit of treatment there, and like I say, hopefully it sinks in and reduces it somewhat. Right then guys, so here's a repair that I made a couple of years ago in this corner. It's about 8 inches by 6 inch square, right in the corner here where I'm pointing the camera down at. Now obviously the original reason we made the repair is the customers got cats and they'd clawed at it to make it threadbare. So we popped a graft in there. Done correctly, repairs really do stand up to the test of time. I mean, that piece of carpet had been uplifted, so they run some wires underneath the back and things. Like I say, the cats have had another go at it, but they really do stand up to the test of time done correctly. And on our courses, if you ever want to sit one of our courses, we do travel up and down the country working alongside great manufacturers and solution suppliers and things like that. So always feel free to get in contact with me on that. And obviously I'll let you know where the next one's going to be at. And here's the lift, guys, from the ground floor, takes you up to the first. I thought it was pretty cool. I always like going in it, like a big kid, really.